Okay, so after that last little exercise, hopefully you're ready now and you're well clued in on this W block thing, and we're going to move on now to arraying and inserting blocks. Well, we've already got the block inserted, but let's go ahead and just insert it one more time. So insert block. Remember, if I want to bring in an updated version, I've got to go browse and go out and actually search for that updated version, or if I'm happy enough with the block that resides within this drawing. So remember, the one in this list here just resides in this drawing only. If I want to bring in one from outside, I got to use the browse and go look for it on the outside. But I'm happy enough with this one in here. So my insertion point, I can specify on screen, or I can kind of do it again. 135, 130. Make sure explodes not selected, and click on the OK, and we get our block inserted at the correct point. So arraying and the blocks now. So using the array command, AR, I can select the little array icon. This is going to be a polar array, so select polar, select my objects. That's my object, it's the only object I need to select. Center point then of my array is going to be the center point of this circle. Again, I always have a little look down here. This, total number of items and angle fill, total number of items, angle between. Always make yourself aware of these at this stage, So we're given this kind of too easy for us. We're given it 9 items and angle to fill 360 degrees. Do a little preview, and you're happy bunny. Or if you're not, you can hit escape and you come back in and change it. And that's our array done. Next then is really just a little sort of variation on the insertion. So if I type I for insert, then my insertion point then is going to be, I'll specify it on screen this time. My scale then is 1.5. It's a uniform scale, so it's 1.5 in the X and the Y. Z doesn't really matter because it's a flat object. And click on OK. Then specify my insertion point, and my insertion point this time then is 105. Just type in the hash to be sure. 105.75, and that's that. And then you can go and insert them at those other points, or you can do a nice mirror command twice to insert them again, or you can do the practice of inserting the coordinates. Okay, now we're going to create a block called flange of this object here. So zoom in slightly to it, creating a block. And I'll do it with the W block command just to show you how to do that. I know the book probably gets to do it with just the block command, but I'll do it with the W block command just to show you. It's the one I kind of use more than anything else. So this time, selecting my objects. This time I do want to actually pick the nut block, so it's not such a big deal. So picking my base point is the center of that. Selecting my objects is that. Right click. Convert to a block. I don't really want to convert this one to a block because I want to be able to change this. Remember, we deliberately made the mistake way back of leaving out the center lines. So I'm going to select retain this time, and out it goes here, and we're going to call it flange. And click save. And if I click OK then, and that's it. Now when I do my insert, select the flange from there just to bring it into this drawing because it's only just wrote it out. Click OK. Oh, I was meant to do a little scale thing on it, wasn't I? So insert. Already got it in from the last time. So what I'm supposed to do, scale isn't uniform, so it's top one's 1, y is 0.5, and then the angle is 45 degrees. Click on OK, and I'll just acquire that to keep it level and place it approximately there. So that's my little block created. Okay.